Welcome back to Boss and Leader Catalyst System. This is your virtual coaching page. Now, each of our artificial intelligence virtual coaches are highly trained. We've trained them on our own sophisticated models, the boss and leadership models, the servant leadership models. We've also trained them on hundreds of other leadership expert books and guides. So when you are looking for your perfect coach, you can see the videos on how to select a coach. But the key point is their valuable feedback is something you should seriously consider. This page will help you do that. So, for example, a quick layout of the page. At the top, you have your usual how-to. That's where you got this video. You can ask your question right here. But below, if you've asked previous questions of different reps or different agents and assistants, you'll see that history here. If you want to dig into one of those, all you got to do is click on any particular one. Let's go back to the last time we asked Brene a question. And we can see here I asked her, when is a good time to ask for a raise? And here was her response. So if you want to look at any of your history of your conversations with your particular coach or coaches, as you may have chosen, do that there. But let's say, for example, you just want to ask a new question here. Let's say, how do I provide feedback to my boss that they are micromanaging me too much? And then just click send. And there we see the response. So as you can see below, she's given it some thought. She says, addressing micromanaging boss requires a thoughtful, peaceful approach, a tactful approach. And here's a structured way to do that. And she goes through step by step. Initiating the conversation, during the conversation, some suggested scripts even, and she provides some links to tools and resources from our own Boss and Leader Catalyst system that you might be interested in using. Now at the moment, we don't auto-populate the update here in the history, so if you want to see the latest version of your history, you can just click refresh on the page, and you'll see it there.